Hi, and welcome to the More 5-Minute St. Louis Real Estate Market Update for February 2014. If you've got 5 minutes, I'll bring you up to speed on what's happening in the St. Louis housing market. Let's get started. First, this chart here shows our trademarked Market Action Index. This is an index that was developed to give a quick snapshot of a particular market. In this case, I'm showing the 5 counties that make up the core of our St. Louis market. In fact, most of the data I'll be talking about here today does pertain to those 5 counties. It's the City of St. Louis County, St. Charles County, Jefferson County, and Franklin County. And our Market Action Index is like I said, a quick snapshot of the market, shows whether a particular market's a buyer's or seller's market. The black line at the top there is St. Louis County. That is in seller's market territory. It's at about a 33. Anything above, or actually 34, anything above a 30 is seller's market territory. Below a 30 is buyer's market. The orange line on there represents St. Louis City. It's also a seller's market. The green line represents St. Charles County. It's almost a balanced market, not really favoring buyers or sellers at this time. And yellow and blue lines, that is Jefferson County and Franklin County, and they are both buyers' markets. Now, we can drill this down to particular neighborhoods, and that's where we come in to help take this data and again, drill it down to look at a particular neighborhood, because neighborhoods do vary quite a bit. Real estate is very local, so we can help drill this down to your neighborhood. Today, what I'm going to cover is more of a macro view, though. Speaking of neighborhoods, something else that's exclusively found here at More Realtors is our top 15 markets, sellers markets list. This is based upon our Market Action Index, so it shows at any given time in real-time data what are the top markets for sellers in St. Louis. I'm not going to run through the entire list. You can see the top 15 there. Grover, the 63040 market or area of Grover, is very strong at a 55. The maximum our index goes up to is a 60. Then Glendale, Rock Hill, Baldwin, and so on. If you don't see your neighborhood on there, no problem. Contact us. You can see our contact info below. We'll be happy to let you know what's going on in your neighborhood. Now, the opposite side of the sellers markets would be neighborhoods that are strong buyers markets right now. And here's our top 15 list currently for those areas. And you can see the first one's in the City of St. Louis, the 63101 zip code, at an 18. Our index goes down to a 0. So from 30 to 0 is a buyer's market. You can see that part of the city there is pretty cold, followed by St. Albans, Gray Summit, New Haven, several outlying areas. Again, wondering where your neighborhood is, no problem, contact us. Now let's look at sales and home sales and home prices over the past 12 months for this core market area. Our colorful chart there shows what's going on. The blue in the background there represents the median sales prices of homes actually sold during this period, and this is looking back the last 12 months from January 2013 through and including January 2014. And the orangish color there represents sales. You can see that the number of home sales for this January was about 1,500. Last year, same time, about 1,800. So actually fewer home sales this year than last year. Home prices, on the other hand, though, increased. Again, this is at a macro level, at the 5-county level. We can drill this down to your neighborhood, though, too. Just ask. This chart here shows median prices, again, for this 5-county area over the past year. Just depicts it a little easier to, in a manner, it's a little easier to see what's going on. That's the yellow line on here. And then the red line is the median time it's taking to sell. And so you can see that while the time to sell a home is increasing, you can see the red line going up there to the right. It is down from a year ago, which is good news. Also, here's what I call our Realtor Scorecard. This shows what percentage of list price homes are selling at. So basically, how good a job, well, first off, how good a data do the realtors or real estate agents handling the sales have, and then how good a job are they doing educating sellers to price it right. That is critical. Something we can do here for you is make sure you come out and hit the market at the right price. The yellow line shows what percentage of price the home sold for based upon its current list price at the time of sale after price reductions. The red line shows in relation to what it was originally listed at. You can see currently homes are only selling for a little over 93% of their original list price, so they're not coming out priced very well. I wouldn't say the agents are doing a great job in that regard. Selling for almost 97% of their eventual asking price. So this is a chart that shows the inventory of homes for sale. We're just crossed about an 8-month supply, so that's up the highest it's been in about a year. Here's a quick 10-year look at home prices, both list prices and sales prices for this 5-county area. And you can see the green line, which is home sales prices. We're still a little lower than where we were 10 years ago. It's taken us a while to get back up there. Real quickly, I'm running a little long this week, but we got a lot to cover. Just real quick, couple things from stlouisrealestatenews.com. Please check it out, stlouisrealestatenews.com. The best source for the latest information on what's going on in the market. In there, you'll find this recap of 2013 that shows that home sales during the period of 2013 for the area actually rose. Prices did as well. Also, you can find out what's going to happen in 2014 by checking out our St. Louis Market Outlook for 2014. This was a radio interview that was aired on some of St. Louis's top stations, including KSHE, K-Hits, 107 The Point, FM News Talk, I don't know, several of them. A bunch of MS stations. You can find it on stlre.com. You'll see that on the right of the screen there with the big arrow over in the right margin there. You'll see this link to click on it to hear the forecast. Finally, don't forget St. Louis's best home search site, gaining in popularity every month. stlouisrealestatesearch.com, the best place to search for homes. No disappointments there. Everything is listed there is for sale. You won't find homes that are already sold or under contract or pending or stale data. We don't like that. Here's the legal stuff. You can read that later. And remember, we are more than just data. Behind this is a real full-service real estate company. We're here to serve you whether you're buying, selling, or investing. So please don't just get your data here. Let us serve you as well, and let us also show you what professionals can do when they understand the market and can help you understand the market. And after all, doesn't it make sense to trust the people that know the market? Please give us a call at 314-414-6000 or visit us at stlre.com. Thank you. Sorry I ran long this week and until or this month, and until next month, God bless you.